Welcome, students, to our next installment of Writing Here with Mrs. Walton. Today we're going to be talking about opinion writing. And opinion writing is writing that expresses your beliefs or thoughts with supporting reasons. So, what is an opinion? An opinion is a view or belief on something. It is not proven true or false, and it's a little bit different from facts. So facts, looking at this picture of Barbara, my cat, I can see that the facts are that she has black and tan fur, she has 2 ears, she's sleeping, and she's small. So all those are facts. They are proven to be true just by looking at this picture. I can prove that she has black and tan fur. But now let me talk about my opinion about Barb. So here are some of the things that go along with my opinion. I think she's cute, fluffy, sweet. She's the best. She's not stinky, and she's pretty lazy. So those are what I think or how I view my cat Barbara. And so I'll state my opinion here very plainly. In my opinion, Barbara is the best cat in the world. Now, I'm not right or wrong, but that's what I believe. And you could believe something totally different. You could think your cat is the best cat in the world, or you could think that no cat is the best cat in the world, and that's okay. But here's my opinion, and that is what I believe. And now I need to support my opinion or give reasons. Giving reasons means that you tell us why you think or believe the way you do. And you might add a fact to prove your opinion, and that's okay to just use some facts to prove what you're trying to prove. So let me show you some reasons. So I stated my opinion. In my opinion, Barbara is the best cat in the world. And the reasons are Barb is cuddly, her fur is so soft, and she stays inside all day. So those are the reasons why I think that she is the best cat in the world. And that's going to be your job today on day one. You're going to be forming your opinion and giving reasons. In order to do so, we're going to read the prompt, and then you're going to pick a side or form your opinion, and then give reasons as to why. And to help us out, we're going to use this graphic organizer that is called the O graphic organizer. Kind of like Oreo, but instead we have 3 re's in between. And so the O in this graphic organizer stands for opinion. And that's where we're going to state what we believe. And then the re's, the R in re stands for reasons, and the E stands for explanations. Today we're only focusing on 3 reasons, and then we're going to state our opinion again. So let's get started filling out our graphic organizing with our opinion and reasons. So let's go to writing day 1, our formative here. So our prompt today is, if you could pick any dessert in the world to eat right now, what would it be and why? Write an essay explaining which dessert is the best and why. So this prompt is asking us to state our opinion and tell which is the best dessert and why. And we're going to do that by filling in this graphic organizer. So the first thing we need to do on number 1 is fill in our opinion. And that's where the O is. And it says right here, state your opinion, which means give your opinion. So I'm going to give my opinion as to which dessert I think is the best. Starting it off nice and formally, in my opinion, chocolate chip cookies are the best dessert. Very simple. I just stated what the prompt asked me, and then I stated what my opinion was. And my opinion is that chocolate chip cookies are the best. Now, you may agree with this and want to use that in your writing, but come up with something else if you can. And now my job is to come up on numbers 2, 3, and 4 with 3 different reasons. So we can start with our transition word first. First, they are small. Oops, I forgot. They are small and easy to carry. Very simple, one sentence as to my first reason. My second reason is second, they are delicious. Very simple, and that's supporting my opinion. Once again, that is my opinion that I think they're delicious, but now I gave that to support why they are the best. And then my third reason, it could be last, they are easy to make. Very simple. because remember, you're not trying to explain just yet. You're just giving your reasons to support your opinion. And then here at the end, we're going to state our opinion again. And since this is the end, we're going to start our sentence off with in conclusion. And I'll say chocolate chip cookies are the best dessert to eat. And I've stated my opinion again, all about chocolate chip cookies. I didn't switch my opinion and talk about some other kind of dessert. I stuck with chocolate chip cookies the entire time. And so that's your job right now, is to fill out your opinion and 3 reasons as to why you think your dessert is the best. Ready, set, go.